So I had to take my dad to the ER last night. Didn't get home till about 4 a.m. So I ended up calling out of work, sleeping for a bunch. Checked on my dad this morning. Decided I'll do a little car thing, just hanging out, making sure he doesn't need me for anything. And my buddy Pete gave me a new set of headlights. Not new, old stock, whatever. Headlights for the Accord Wagon, because my old one's a little foggy. So I thought, hey, can't be that hard to switch headlights. Yeah, you can't get those off without taking the front bumper off, the literal bumper support and everything. But you know, you should be able to see the difference there. There you go. And now that I have the front bumper off, before I put everything back, I'm going to do the front MacLifter kit. So I wasn't videoing because I thought I was just swapping headlights, but now that half the front of the car is apart, let's do the front MacLifter kit. Let's get the kit open, look at everything. It's usually pretty self-explanatory. The rear was, so you know. Yep, they're all marked. I don't know if you can see that. There's an R and an L for right and left. That mounts to the bumper. These will mount to the car. So let's break these old ones off. Take these old ones off. Go from there. That's off. So now it's just a matter of sorry. Just trying to decide if it should be this one, which it's going to be, and I can put a through bolt through that, which is awesome. I was contemplating whether or not it was supposed to be here, which I guess potentially it could be. So I'm going to try to fit that up and see how it looks. Alright, I lined this one up with that bolt, but if you can't tell, that's angled in a little bit, so that sticks this out at this. That's extreme. So this is flat here. So I'm going to use the bolt they provided, bolt that in, and go from there. Do the other side. Alright, in the kit, it's 10 mil on both sides, a lock nut on the back. I got those tightened up. Now I gotta mount the little brackets to the bumper over there. Like I said, these are marked. There's an R for right. And if you put it on there, that's how it's gonna line up. So you just line it up with the hole. I'm gonna mark it there. I have a tiny pilot drill bit to start it. Do that. Did the pilot hole. Then I'm gonna do. Side note, we bought some Milwaukee M12 tools. Oh man, expensive, but good dear Lord, are they nice. installed. Talked about them before, but these vessel screwdrivers, this is a ratcheting one. I really like them. The ball grip is just phenomenal. So, do the other side. All right, left side's in. I don't know if you can see that, but it was starting to crack there. So these will definitely help. I think this body kit was installed when this was on the car. So I'm gonna try to, I'm not gonna film it because it's gonna be a pain in the ass, but I'm gonna try to get some better mounts in this part here. So we are back in, bolted up, put a bolt back in to hold that over the new bracket. That ain't going anywhere. Bumpers back on, grills back in. This side looks even better. It's definitely way tighter than before. Headlights look way better than what I had, so hopefully the lights still work. The reason I took the battery all the way out, I got a yellow top and I want to get a better bracket to hold it in, so I wanted to see how it bolted into the bottom. So see if I can order a better, cool, neat looking whatever. So yeah, I got some more parts coming. I got my PLM headers. I got a Mishimoto radiator from my Prelude that I'm putting in here, so when all that gets here, do another upload on that. So MacLifter kit, if you got a saggy bumper, I recommend it. Takes a while to get it from Australia, but 100% worth it. Cleaned up the back, cleaned up the front, so highly recommended. So have a good one.